It's your girl Devonna Nicole. Thank you guys for joining me today. So guys, I have my Boxycharm by IPSY, and this is a monthly subscription. This subscription is $28 a month. You get 5 full-size products in here. This is my box for the month of October 2023. So I'm going to be showing you guys what's inside my box this month. I have completely forgotten what I've chosen for this box. I know I chose one thing, and they did send me an email telling me what's in it, but I don't remember. So we're going to get right into this box here, and I'm going to show you guys what I got in my box. So guys, the first item out my box, I have a Tease product, and this is called their Suit of Armor Battle primer. This is a face primer here, so you know this is what you would put down before you put your makeup on. So this is supposed to be a hydrating primer from what I'm seeing here, and it says it's your secret weapon with your makeup. This is valued at 40 bucks. Can you believe that? This is what it looks like outside of the box, and let me open it up so I can show you guys the inside. So this is what the product itself looks like, and I love a good face primer. I've never heard of this brand, to be quite honest, but this $40 for a face primer. And it says on here, it gives you double the hydration, it leaves you nourished and radiant, and it lasts all day, give you flawless skin. So I think that's pretty good. It doesn't say how long it lasts. It just says all day long it gives you flawless skin. So this is a good base to start with for your makeup, but I can't wait to try this out to see if it's really good. But yeah, $40 for this product, and that's the first product out of our box. So let's go on to the next item in our box. So guys, the next item we have out of my box, I have a Biro product. Now I'm starting to see this brand more and more in our boxes. I thought we had something last month with Biro as well. Okay, so this one here is a celery AHA and LHA resurfacing serum. This product is valued at $86. That is a lot of money for a serum. So the information we have says, introducing new skin clearing hero. This powerful serum helps you tackle your troubled complexion with detoxifying proudness of celery juice. I've never heard of this. If you guys heard of this, you let me know. I've never heard of this. And $86 for this. So this is what it looks like. So it's in a funky green color jar like it is celery. But it says this is a gentle yet effective way with this formula to harness the clarifying properties of the alpha hydroxy acids and to help halt blemishes in their tracks and boost a cell turnover. So I mean, it sounds good. $86 is a bit pricey, wouldn't you say? So this is a face serum, so we'll move along to the next thing that's in our box here. So guys, the next item I'm pulling out, I have a Lauren's product. I'm not familiar with this brand either. So what is this? This is a lip oil. So Lauren's lip oil. And this is what it looks like outside of the packaging. And this product is valued at $22. I like a good lip oil. So let's get a little info on this one. It says, lips prepared to be pampered with the ultra hydrating lip oil. It's enriched with shea butter and vitamin E. It says, experience the cushy feel as if it helps replenish your lips moisture barrier and leaving them soft and smooth and oh so juicy. So that sounds like that'd be good to use. So 22 bucks for this product here, and let's see what else is in here. The next item, oh, I got a Huda Beauty product. I love Huda products. So let's see what this one's about. This is a lip contouring 2.0. That's the name of this one. Does it say the color? We have pinky brown is the color. I'm sure you guys won't be able to see that, but it says pinky brown. So guys, this is our pinky brown lip contour here. This is valued at $21, they're saying on here. And it says this product, your lips will look like you're about to level up thanks to this pinky lip color pencil. It's a buttery soft formula, and it glides on effortlessly on your lips and leaves you with a flawless quick application. And it's enriched with some soybean and licorice and all of that to enhance your pout. So I'm gonna just do a quick swatch on the back of here. It doesn't look, the tip doesn't look pinky brown to me. It just looks like a nude color, but they're calling it pinky brown. So let's see, I'm gonna do a big enough swatch so you guys can see. And that is the color on me. So a very nudie kind of pink, definitely. So that's our color there. Yeah. So this should be fun to use to do a lip look, nice nudie kind of lip. That'd be fun. All right, so let's see what the last thing in this box is. So we have our last item here in our box, and we have the Iconic London Eyeshadow Palette. What is this one called? This one is Blooming and Gleaming Eyeshadow Palette. Okay. So let's take a look at the palette here. And it has a mirror, guys, which I'm going to kind of fold down so I don't blind you guys. And we're going to take this paper off. And guys, this is our palette here from Iconic London. This seems to be a very nice looking palette. What do you guys think? And this palette here is valued at, how much is this palette? $62, guys. $62 for this palette. So guys, this is what they're calling your new everyday palette with easy and applicable shades. I would have to agree with that. This is a nice fall palette. You could kind of create a very natural looking look. Maybe put on one eyeshadow, or even if you try to bring, you could do a couple of them to kind of make a look pop for the evening. But yeah, it's like a one and done, I would say, if for a very, you know, nice look, like a nice everyday look. I think definitely can be achieved with this palette, as well as using it for more of an evening look. You have a black there for like a smoky eye. You have a lot of shades of neutral shades of like brown, and there's a few not necessarily like glitters, but there's more mattes in here than I would say anything else. I think this is a nice palette. So this is valued at $62. So guys, in review, we have 5 products that came, and we have the Iconic London palette here. We have the Huda Beauty Lip 2.0 Lip Liner. We have the Byro Celery AHA BHA Face Serum. We have the Lauren's Lip Oil, and we have the Tease Face Primer. This probably was not my most exciting box for October, to be quite honest with you. I mean, I like the eyeshadow palette. I think this is probably my favorite, along with the lip oil are probably the 2 items that I really like out of this box. And the Tease, I'm not being fair to, because I've never used this product. It may be something that I may really like, but I wasn't, you know, super hyped to get it or anything. But yeah, it may work. It may do exactly what it says. It might become my new best friend, but I haven't ever heard of this or tried it, so I have no real expectations. And the Byro, I just think this is ridiculously priced for a product I've never heard of. So that's just me. So guys, that is my box overall in review. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, hit me up in the comments. Let me know if you guys picked up this Boxycharm box, if you like what was in your selections or whatever came in your choices. So guys, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please consider doing so. I do post weekly. I do like to show you guys what I'm picking up in my subscription boxes, and I love sharing that with you guys and seeing what you're getting as well. So if you enjoy this kind of content, please feel free to hit that subscribe button, as well as tap the notification bell, and it will let you know when I next post. But until my next video, guys, I will catch you on the next one. Bye.